Hello students, today we are going to start the chapter 2, that is self and personality. After reading this chapter, you would be able to describe the concept of self and learn some ways for self-regulation of behavior. How we can regulate our own self and what is self-esteem, what is self-efficacy and so on. So all these topics are available in this chapter, and also you would be able to explain the concept of personality, meaning of personality, and you would be able to differentiate between various approaches to the study of personality, and you would be able to develop insight into the development of a healthy personality, and also you would be able to describe some techniques for personality assessment. So like all other attributes, personality also can be assessed by using several tests. So all these techniques are also available in this chapter. Now I will cover actually till psychodynamic approach. So in this segment, we will discuss about self and personality, concept of self, self as subject and self as object, and kinds of self. Okay, so first is the self and personality. Actually, before going to start the personality, it is very important for us to know the meaning of self. Actually, both self and personality refer to the characteristic ways in which we define our existence. Both actually mainly tells us about our existence, and they also refer to the ways in which our experiences are organized and show up in our behavior. Actually, self, it refers to several ideas that is related to ourself. So all these ideas represent the self of a person. And we also know that different people behave in different ways in a given situation, but the behavior of a particular person from one situation to another generally remains stable, fairly stable. And such stable patterns of behavior are generally known as personality of that person. Thus, different persons seem to possess different personalities, and these personalities are reflected in the diverse behavior of persons. So, in that sense, self and personality both refer to the characteristic ways in which we define our existence. Because of our self, also, we are able to know that we exist in this world, and because of personality, also, we are able to know that we exist in this world. So, next is the concept of self. So, from our childhood days, we may have spent considerable time thinking about who we are and how we are different from others. So, by now, we already may have developed some ideas about ourselves, although we may not be aware of it. আমি যদিও aware নহয়, কিন্তু আমি আমাৰ বিষয়ে কিছুমান ideas form কৰিছোঁ. Actually, it is not very easy to express what actually we are. It is very difficult. A newly born child has no idea of its self. As a child grows older and older, the idea of self emerged and its formation begins. The attributes people use for identification tell about their personal as well as their cultural identities. একচুৱেলি এটা ল'ৰা বা ছোৱালী সৰুতে জন্ম হওঁতে একো নিজৰ বিষয়ে একো আইডিয়া কৰিব নোৱাৰে, কিন্তু লাহে লাহে যেতিয়া ডাঙৰ হৈ গৈ থাকে তেতিয়া বেলেগৰ লগত, পেৰেণ্টছৰ লগত, ফ্ৰেণ্ডছৰ লগত, টিচাৰৰ লগত বা বেলেগ বেলেগ মানুহৰ লগত যেতিয়া ইণ্টাৰেক্ট কৰে তেতিয়া তেওঁলোকে কি কৰে, তেওঁলোকৰ নিজৰ বিষয়ে কিছুমান আইডিয়া ফৰ্ম কৰিব পাৰে. চ' ইন ডেট চেন্স অল দিজ প্লে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ৰোল ইন শ্বেপিং আ চাইল্ডছ আইডিয়াজ এবাউট চেল্ফ. একচুৱেলি যেতিয়া আমি মানুহৰ লগত ইণ্টাৰেক্ট কৰোঁ বা আমাৰ এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চবিলাকে আমাৰ নিজৰ বিষয়ে কিছুমান কথা জনাত হেল্প কৰে. গতিকে আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা কি ক'ব পাৰোঁ যে আমি যিমানেই ডাঙৰ হৈ গৈ থাকিম সিমানেই আমি নতুন নতুন কথা আমি শিকোঁ, আৰু এই এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চবিলাকৰ পৰা আমি আমাৰ চেল্ফটোক মডিফাইও কৰিব পাৰোঁ. So ইয়াত কি কৈছে যে there are several attributes actually that are related to us, and all these are related to the personal as well as social identities. Now, it is very important for us to know the meaning of personal identity. Now, what is personal identity? Now, personal identity refers to those attributes of a person that make him or her different from others. When a person describes himself or herself by telling his or her name, like I am a boy, or I am Kareem, I am Rahim, I am Jodu. So all these are some personal attributes of that person. And he also can say that he also sometimes say that he is a singer, he is a dancer, he is a player, he believes in God. So all these are actually related to his personal identity. So in these cases, the individual is actually disclosing his or her personal identities. So social identity also refers to those aspects of a person that link him or her to a social or cultural group or are derived from it. And when someone says that he or she is a Hindu or Muslim, a Brahmin, Christian, so all these actually are related to his social identity. In these cases, he or she is trying to indicate his or her social identity. So these descriptions characterize the way people mentally represent themselves as a person. গতিকে এজন মানুহ হিচাপে আমি আমাৰ পাৰ্চনেল আইডেণ্টিটি আৰু ছ'চিয়েল আইডেণ্টিটিৰ লগত ৰিলেট কৰি পেলাই আমি নিজকে কি কৰোঁ, নিজৰ বিষয়ে আইডিয়াছ ফৰ্ম কৰোঁ। এণ্ড অল দিজ আৰ ৰিলেটেড টু আৱাৰ ওন আইডেণ্টিটিজ, এণ্ড দিজ ওন আইডেণ্টিটিজ আৰ related to personal as well as social identities. So in that sense, we can refer to the meaning we can say that self refers to the totality of an individual's conscious experiences, ideas, thoughts and feelings with regard to himself or herself. So all these experiences and ideas define the existence of an individual both at the personal and social levels. So next topic is the self as subject and self as object. Actually, these are the dual status of self. This is the dual status of self, that is self as subject and self as object. Now, what is meant by self as subject? Actually, self is described as an entity that does something. For example, when I say that I am a singer, so in this case, the self is described as a subject self who does something, who is the doer, who is the actor. So here the self is described as a knower. So as a subject or an actor, the self actively engages in the process of knowing itself. So this is known as the self as subject. Now self is also known as object. So it is an entity actually on which something is done. For example, when I say I am the one who easily gets hurt. So in this case, the self is described as an object which gets affected. Okay, so in that sense, it is described as a known. The self is described as a known. As an object or consequence, the self gets observed and comes to be known. So these are the two dual status of self, actually dual status of self, that is self as subject and self as object. Now next topic is the kinds of self. Kinds of self. Actually there are several kinds of self, and they get formed as a result of our interactions with our physical and socio-cultural environment. So the first element of self may be noticed when a newborn child cries for milk when it is hungry. Actually this is completely based on reflex. কিন্তু যেতিয়া লাহে লাহে ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাক ডাঙৰ হৈ যায়, তেতিয়া যেতিয়া এৱেৰনেছ ডেভেলপ হয়, তেতিয়া ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকে গম পায় যে ভোক লাগিছে, পিয়াহ লাগিছে, এই কথাটো ফিল কৰিব পাৰে। So this biological self in the context of socio-cultural environment modifies itself. Because biological self to যেতিয়া socio-cultural environment লগত connected হৈ যায়, তেতিয়া কি হয়, এই selfটো আৰু modify হয়। মানে যেতিয়া কৈছে, যেতিয়া ধৰা এজন ইণ্ডিভিজুৱেলে ভোক লাগিছে বুলি কয়, কিন্তু ভোক লাগিলে যিকোনো বস্তু খাব লাগে, কিন্তু যিকোনো বস্তু ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকে পালেই খাবলৈ নিবিচাৰে আজিকালি। তাৰমানে কি, ছ'চিঅ' কালচাৰেল এনভাইৰনমেণ্টত এডজাষ্ট হোৱাৰ লগে লগে কি হৈছে, নতুন নতুন কথা শিকিছে। সেইকাৰণেই ৰিম'ট এৰিয়াত থকা ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকে পিজ্জা খাবলৈ ভোক লাগিছে বুলি নক'বও পাৰে। কিন্তু ঠিক তেনেকৈ চকলেট এটাৰ কাৰণে তোমাৰ ইয়াত হয়তো ভোক লাগিব পাৰে, চকলেট খাবৰ কাৰণে তোমাৰ একচুৱেলি খুব মন গৈছে কাৰণে চকলেট খাবলৈ তোমাৰ ভোক লাগিব পাৰে। কিন্তু যিবিলাক ৰিম'ট এৰিয়াৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী, ইছলাম এৰিয়াৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকে চকলেট খাবলৈ নিবিচাৰিব পাৰে, ভোক লাগিলে তাহাঁতক হয়তো ৰুটি বা ভাত দিব লাগিব। গতিকে এই গোটেইবিলাকৰ লগত কি হৈ আছে, আমাৰ ছ'চিঅ' কালচাৰেল এনভাইৰনমেণ্টটো ৰিলেটেড হৈ আছে। So there is a distinction actually that is made between personal and social self. The personal self leads to an orientation in which one feels primarily concerned with oneself. It refers to a person's complete individuality, one's own self. Here, emphasis is given to those aspects of life that relate only to the concerned person, such as personal freedom, personal responsibility, personal achievement, personal freedom. গতিকে এইবিলাক এজন ইণ্ডিভিজুৱেলৰ নিজৰ চেল্ফটোৰ লগত ৰিলেটেড হৈ আছে, কমপ্লিট ইণ্ডিভিজুৱেলিটি চেল্ফটোত সোমাই আছে. So this is the personal self. Then social self actually emerges in relation with others. It is a multifaceted analysis of the self concept based on the social nature of the self. Now, social self values family and social relationships. In that sense, it is known as familial or relational self. Now, it emphasizes such aspects of life as cooperation, unity, affiliation, support, sacrifice, sharing. So, all these are some social necessities. এজন ইণ্ডিভিজুৱেলে অকল নিজৰ বস্তুবিলাক ছেটিছফাই কৰাৰ লগতে কিন্তু আনৰ লগত থাকিও কিছুমান বস্তু এচিভ কৰিব বিচাৰে, হেপিনেছ বিচাৰে, ছাপৰ্ট বিচাৰে আনৰ পৰা, আনৰ লগত ফিলিং শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব বিচাৰে, কোঅপাৰেশ্যন বিচাৰে. গতিকে এইবিলাক হৈছে ইণ্ডিভিজুৱেলৰ ছ'চিয়েল চেল্ফ. Thank you.